In front of me is Oukitel C33, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction, scroll down, and as you can see, all typing options are available over here. To manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!